This is bed 2 of the not Argentell, the UC157. Now it was planted last year, so it's over a year old. I had great hopes for this bed actually last year, but it's never followed on. But now we can transplant the plantlets. So, but not now, it's too late to do anything now with that asparagus. All you've got to do now is let the ferns grow, let the goodness grow back into the crowns, and then cut the ferns off. Yeah, really a bit disappointed with this, but the new beds are coming on fine. And I've learnt a lot since last year.